if this is a piston, this is the piston, this is the connecting rod, okay? And this is the crank down here. With normal fuel, if the fuel is starting to ignite here, the sparks, there's a delay between when it really ramps up and really explodes. Notice what happened to the connecting rod? It's out to this side. So now we have maximum push, and it's pushing this out to the side, which is rocking the motor. With extreme fuel treatment, the maximum push is when the connecting rod is pushing almost straight down, not delayed when it's pushing out to the side. And that's why your engine runs smoother with extreme fuel treatment.